Yo, we're back with another shoe unboxing review, whatever bullcrap. I just got done with my workout, that's why I have no shirt on. I need to start putting a fucking goddamn shirt. But I'm trying to think. Alright, well, we got finally the Air Force One Undefeated with the crocodile blue crocodile skin. Sadly, we didn't hit the dunks, but they're ugly anyways. But these breakdowns are pretty much retail. But I'm gonna just hold them. Paid $135 for them. Fuck Undefeated, but they're on point with their shipping, but sometimes they fucking take forever. But this time it was pretty quick. Don't mind my room, that shit's dirty as fuck. But 8.5 is an Air Force's half size down. Oh, that's weird. Let's see. Normal Dunk vs. AS1 box. Wow, these look good quality. Wow. That's a nice Air Force, bro. I would say buy them right now before they go up. Damn, it's like the Supreme material. This isn't shit material, bro. This crocodile skin is actually really nice. Damn, these are fire, bro. Only thing, I don't know why. I guess they want to do something different, but this material is like a canvas. And then they put it right here on the inner swoosh. Put white leather right here. That's good material, bro. And then they flipped it. It's like a patent leather. Yeah, patent leather for the swoosh and canvas. Holy shit, dude. These are fucking nice. They fucking snapped on this, bro. Yeah, let's have this for the thumbnail. That's blurry. There you go. Personally, I like them, but I just don't like the canvas right here. But these are definitely a keep into my collection. Thank God I got my size. Undefeated right there. Right there. Oh yeah, it's patent leather in the back too. That's sick. Material is A1, bro. A1 for Air Force One. Like, wow. I kind of like the shape more. I feel like they kind of made it a little bit more skinny. Is it blurry? It is blurry. But, wow. Definitely a high quality made shoe. Undefeated. Y'all snapped on this for sure. Gave me some fucking scratch marks right there already, but fuck you, I'm keeping them anyways. If you're trying to get these for retail or fucking close to retail, get that shit now on eBay. That's your best bet. Because these will go up. I guarantee you, everyone's gonna be like, oh, we slept on them. And yeah, you did. Because this is a high quality Air Force One, bro. Well, yeah, that was my unboxing for these. A review. Or mini review, whatever. I'm gonna hold them for a little bit. I'm not gonna put them on. I definitely think they'll go up, but I'm gonna keep them to my Air Force One collection. Because that shit's building up. I just love these again. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment on what you think about these, if you got them or if you want them. For some reason, all my fucking batteries are dead. But like I was saying, that's my review on this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment on what you think about these. And yeah, I'm gonna be posting every day of this week. Peace.